Up here riding with Back Road Rider, Joe from Back Road Rider. Welcome to Bang Doors channel. We're gonna Preacher Road, Cottaquilla Road. Run an intro, please. Well, you know the three things you don't want to get caught behind? It ain't slow vehicles, it's garbage truck, chicken manure truck, or any kind of chicken hauling truck. Well, other than the freezer kind. Well, you still don't want to get behind one of them when they kick the defrost on. Yeah. So we behind the garbage truck. Let's hope he don't go up Cottaquilla. If he does, we might just punch it and go around them. So here we come. This is not Cottaquilla. Cottaquilla. This is Right Town Gap Road, which is pretty good road back the other way. Goes back over to Highway 9, and this garbage truck is turning. Then we got a slow pickup truck going our way, and they gonna go that way. Great. Yeah, they could have turned the blinker on, we knew that, but oh well. Ooh, they look like they paved it. Good deal. So I run the time lapse and we'll talk some, and then we'll go back and watch the time lapse at the end of it. It's a good covered road. Goes up in elevation, back around. Of course, these cars and trucks gonna slow us down. But I didn't know they paved it, so that's a good deal. I don't know how far they paved it, but we ain't gonna go very fast, crap. We should have stopped there and waited till they get ahead of us. Maybe they'll turn in their house somewhere, because I want to get some scrapies. It's about 5 miles long, maybe, if it's that far. It's a short little ride, but man, it's fun. But see, you got to watch some places like that, or the gravel washes out the road. And people coming out that driveway, and people's feet. Yeah, we knew he was going to turn, but then the pickup's going to do the same thing. Keeping us maintain our speed. Great. See, those gravels from the curve right there. You don't want to hit those. What rocks in the road? Crap. We ought to turn around and go back and do it again. Some of these curves are banked and all. We ain't got out of second gear. Well, we in first gear now going up this hill, because these cars and trucks and cars don't want to go fast. Good thing they did. They probably saving us from stuff, because some of these curves right here, you gonna turn around and go back? I'll let them get ahead of us. Turn around and go back and redo it again. That last curve had a bunch of gravel out with the trailers, or people pull their trailers up here or something and pick up rocks and gravels. You see what I mean? It's like, wee, fun little road if we could do some. Can't even scrape. Keep going so slow. See gravel right there in that curve. Cars kicking to the side and throwing up gravel in the road, I guess. We almost at the tip top of the mountain. Different county, I think, right here. Different roads. Yet now we're going downhill. All these cars doing is just cutting across this road, take a shortcut. I thought they might live on the road and turn, but not our luck today. That's the way it goes sometimes. But that, well, we wouldn't have got no farther anyway. They know what they're doing. They slow these bikers down. We don't want them on our road, and they don't even live on this road. Oh me. Ooh. Yeah. There was a lot of debris in that curve. I started to throw it over and get a scraping, and I seen all the loose debris on the road from the rain. Well, this is a camp right here. Well, there's our feature road. The other side was better. I don't trust these in the curves. It can get a little dirty on this side of the mountain for some reason. We stopped for, well, you seen how long we stopped, but then they ain't behind us no more. We can go faster now. But it's almost to the end. Well, here you have it. We're back on Highway 9, Cottaquilla Road. Hope you enjoy it. They said, fun little road. Yep. Ooh, I guess I better close out the feature road. So if you like that road, check out some other feature road I put up here and down here, and hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you on the next one. We're going to continue our journey for today.